Hey guys, Jess Star here with Star Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty, standing inside our beautiful new listing. This one is 7 Deborah in Windsor, Connecticut. It's a beautiful 5-bedroom, 3-bath home. It's got central air, gas heat, newer replacement windows, public utilities. It's got so many options here. If you wanted to have income potential, you could, because of the first floor bedroom that used to be an in-law option, so you could have multi-generational housing here as well. You've got a 2-car attached garage, nice flat yard that's fully fenced, tons of updated features like the new updated kitchen. Look at all this space you've got back here. A great breakfast bar, an eating space, gas cooktop, all these stainless appliances, custom cabinetry, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful countertops. It's really lovely. You're not going to want to miss it. Hardwood floors throughout. You've also got central air and so many wonderful things. Great entertaining space throughout. Hitting the market in just a few days. Price to move. These sellers say sell. Look at all this natural light that just flows in here. It's really great. Give us a call at 860-325-2484 or visit us at our website at starrealtygroup.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.